Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. So here it is. We're going to dig right into the box. I feel like I'm the last person on the face of the earth to receive my Ipsy Plus box, but you know what? Better late than never, right? I'm really happy to have this box here today. I got this box early this morning, and I think I said this in another video. My boxes have been coming at like 7 a.m. and the rest of my mail comes at the normal time, like later on in the afternoon. And so I always want to stay home from work and unbox my boxes, my makeup, my clothing, and things like that. But gotta go to work, right? So anyway, we're gonna dig right in, and it's perfect timing because I ran out of moisturizer. Yeah, how could I do that? I don't know how. I didn't plan correctly or properly. And so thank goodness this is here because I have a Sunday Riley moisturizer in here that was an add-on that couldn't have come at a better time. All right, let's dig in. I'll show you my product. So the first thing that we have is by Tarte, and this is the Stay Spray. So here's the box, and then let me take it out so I can show you the bottle. So here it is, and so let's smell it. Ooh, that smells really nice. Put it on my hand. Let me read a little bit about it. So this says this makeup setting mist from Tarte is a bestseller for a good reason. The microfine spray with cooling aloe and cucumber extracts, yes, totally get those notes with the smell, keeps your look from melting, cracking, fading, or settling into fine lines for up to 16 hours. A must-have for hectic holiday schedules. It's valued at $25. That itself pays for the box. So I'm happy to have this. I do like the Tarte products, and I have a setting powder that I'm using right now. I think it's by Ciate. I think that's the one I'm finishing up, and it's close to being done. I do have another powder one, but I'm going to switch it up and start to use this one because this one feels nice and moisturizing, and my skin this feels really nice on your skin too. So my skin is very dry this time of year, so I'm excited to see. Hopefully this doesn't dry it out anymore. But it says it's moisturizing, so I think we're okay. So then I have, let's see, I don't remember which product I actually chose. So this one is by 111 Skin, Harley St. London. It's a cryo activating hydra gel. I'm having trouble with my words, so here's the box. And then let me show you what the actual product looks like. So here it is. Very pretty packaging, very sleek. All right, let's see how this feels, and then, ooh, wow. Ooh. Oh, that feels really, really nice. Ooh, a nice faint smell. It's not too overpowering. Let's read about it. Let me grab the sheet again. Okay. So this says, this lightweight hydrating moisturizer from science-backed beauty brand 111 Skin does it all really. Oh my goodness, this is valued at $200. I had to stop reading because I saw the value. This is valued at, I better not fall in love with this. I'm gonna fall in love with this. Yep, okay, let me continue reading. This gel texture instantly soothes skin, while ultra-filling spheres smooth the look of fine lines and uneven skin texture like a filter for your face. It even helps protect your skin from environmental damage. This is gonna be my new favorite product. I already know it. Whenever something's expensive, I fall in love with it. All right, let me move on. Have you tried that? If you've tried that product before, let me know if it works and how well it works for you. Yeah, it's valued at $200. Wow. Okay, now this next product is by, I don't know how to say this, Evolu? I'm probably butchering that. It's a hydrating serum, and I do like a good serum. I love that this box is more skincare focused because I love skincare. I prefer skincare to makeup. I just feel like skincare is so important. I have my nighttime skincare routine. I have my morning skincare routine. That smells nice too. Very shiny. Oh, I like that. So let's read about this one. So this says a tall glass of water for thirsty skin. Perfect. This serum contains 3 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin for a dewy glow. The wave of moisture helps plump fine lines and wrinkles to minimize their appearance too. This is valued at $68. Did I show you that? Wow, what a great value for this box. I only paid $25, and I'm not a math person, so I'm not gonna add up what it's worth so far. All right, next, this is a palette, and this is by, it's the Fulton Eyeshadow Squad. This is valued at $60. This says the Ultimate Winter Eyeshadow Quad. This versatile combo of matte and shimmery shades flawlessly mix and match for everyday looks or party-ready smoky eyes. And the powder's soft, buttery texture blends just as easily as a cream. We're obsessed. I'm not a big palette person. I don't wear a lot of eyeshadows. I'm very scared of them. I really am. I'm gonna be honest. I'm just not good at it. I watch Terry over at Southern Yankee all the time. She's one of the ones that I watch constantly for her Get Ready With Me videos, because I just wish I was as good as her when she does her Get Ready With Me's. She just does such a great job. Here's the palette. So it has a mirror, and then here's the actual palette. Now these are colors that I can see myself wearing because they are more neutrals, and I kind of like the darker one here. So maybe I'll play around with these. I cannot promise a Get Ready With Me video. I just can't, because I just don't, yeah. But I like this palette. So I think I'm going to maybe play around with it. We'll see. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to pull out what I had in my box. So those are the 4 things so far. And then the last 3 were add-ons, so they won't be on here. Okay, so the last thing on here is the Illamasqua liquid eyeliner. Somebody got this. Who got this? I can't remember who it was. Was it? I can't remember. If you got it, let me know. This was valued at $22, and it says subtle flicks, dramatic wings, graphic cat eyes. This liquid eyeliner does it all with a super precise felt tip that makes drawing crisp lines a cinch. And the formula, it's 100% budge proof, so you don't need to worry about it running or smearing during the day. So it is wrapped, and I don't know if I'm gonna use, oh no, is it wrapped? Oh, it's not wrapped. Okay. Ooh, oh wow. That's definitely very smooth. It goes on very smooth, but I can't see myself. Oh my gosh, this makes me nervous. See, eye makeup makes me so nervous. The only thing I really use on my eyes is mascara, and sometimes if I do use an eyeliner, I'll use a pencil on my eyelid, like the bottom eyelid. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get better. I haven't had the time to sit down and practice, and that's what I really need to do. So this, I like the Illamasqua line. I have some of their lip products, and so I will try to use that. All right, so my last 3 products are add-ons. And so these are 3 of my favorite products probably that I've ever received from Ipsy. And the first one is a Sunday Riley cream. So this is a moisturizing cream. This is the vitamin C rich hydration serum. And so I think we got this in one of the summer boxes, maybe early fall. I can't remember. I'm trying to get it open. Oh yeah, yep. Going on this hand now. And this is just so hydrating, and I love using this in the morning. I just love it. It kind of gives your skin a little, oops, got some over here and didn't finish rubbing it in, and over here, it's all over. Kind of gives your skin a little bit of a shimmer, and the vitamin C, like it has a citrusy smell, and it kind of wakes you up a little bit in the morning, so I really like that. So I'm excited to have this back into my skincare routine, and sometimes I like to switch up my moisturizers and don't fully use one before starting a new one. I kind of like to switch it up depending how, I don't have sensitive skin. Sometimes my skin is a little bit more dry at times than others, and so sometimes I switch up my moisturizers depending on how my skin is, if it's dry and things like that. All right, and then so the next thing I have, this is my favorite mascara, probably next to the Benefit, the It Cosmetics mascara. This is by Thrive, And I'm not going to open this because I'm still using my IT Cosmetics mascara and I still have some left and I don't want this to dry out. So I really like the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. If you have not tried this, I recommend this. So this mascara, it creates more of like a tubing, when it goes on, it kind of like tubes. Does that make sense? So that when it comes off, it's a little bit like tubes, and it's supposed to be really good for length and for volume. And I feel like it was for me. So I am gonna switch to this after I finish my IT Cosmetics. And I'll probably switch back and forth, but we get a lot of mascaras, and so I really like those brands though. I really do. All right, and then the last thing that I picked for my add-on was a lipstick by Belle and Argent, and I'm still using the burgundy one that we got, and I can't remember the name of the shade that we got in our last box. I absolutely love that shade of lipstick. This one is Click Your Heels, and so since I loved the formula of that lipstick, I decided to add this one. So look at the nice, why can't I think of it, the tube? And then here's the color. So it's a really pretty red. Almost kind of reminds me of what I have on. Let's swatch it on my hand. I'll go on this side. Oh, that's really pretty. That's going to be good for the holidays. Yeah, I really like that. So what'd you think? So those are my 3 add-ons. So my 3 add-ons were the mascara, the lipstick, and my Sunday Riley cream. And then my box I thought was fantastic. Honestly, the only things that I probably won't use, actually it's probably just this. I'll probably practice with this. That's probably, well, I don't know. I don't want to say that because I want to start using eyeliner. So I'm going to try and use this. That's going to be one of my New Year's resolutions, is to be more adventurous with my makeup. I always do the same thing to my face. I never switch it up. I'm a creature of habit, so yeah. And then, so I'm really excited for the serum. I think I'm most excited about this $200 cream. Wow, can it really be worth $200? All right, so that was my Ipsy Plus box for the month of December. I am going to continue this box. This is the only beauty box that I get right now, and I'm really happy with that. I really have been impressed with my Ipsy Plus boxes, and I think it's because with Ipsy, a lot of the times they're focused more on skincare, at least for my profile that I fill out, and I like skincare, so, and there's always some fun makeup products too. Okay, I'm so sorry. I had a phone call that I had to take as I was doing my wrap-up, so I wanted to come back and just tell you thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you all had a wonderful day. I hope you're enjoying your holiday season. It's going by so quickly. I feel like it's going by so much more quickly than it has in the past. Maybe because we had a shorter time period between Thanksgiving and Christmas. Yeah, I'm not ready. I have to do some shopping. Yeah, I just feel so unprepared. Usually all my gifts are wrapped and under the tree close to this time of year, or close to this time, and nope, not this year. I hope you're all ready. I hope you're better off than I am right now. All right, so thank you again, and I will see you all very soon in my next video.